Okay, so I had a master sheet that I started recently to track projects and archive information. It got kind of messy storing it different places, and I needed something simple to overview projects. And this lets me categorize them and have priority and status, when last you're using it, a quick summary, and then I typically like using, Notepad or Kate Linux just to have notes. And then I'd also do AI and ask questions. So I set it up to where I can have everything sort of easy to access and know where it's at. Eventually, all this will be moved over to my server so that it's even easier to access everything and have it all in one place. So that's what started this. So I eventually noticed this project was a great opportunity to upgrade. And right now, it's just my one project in here. And there's my settings. And then here is my basic models for my fields and that when they get imported. And then I have the URLs for the different pages for editing or deleting that when you're in a project, and the upload, export, and then the dashboard. So in my views is my main brunt of my Python, where we use Django for to get all this set up. So you have the dashboard and the CSV requests. I wanted to be able to upload whatever Excel sheets I had, and then also be able to export those as well. And then I have some extra details that weren't there. I wanted to have more of a clean, easy overview for the dashboard, but there is a few more that I'll show you in just a minute where you can see everything, and then you can also edit in there as well, and then delete your projects. And then I have some basic settings. And the database so that I can store information. So eventually this is going to be on my server, and I hope to integrate my own database, or maybe even just a cloud database. So this is my main dashboard page. You can upload, which I already uploaded my master sheet. This guy right here. And then you can also download your new sheet once you have all your projects set up and edited, or I'll probably just use this once I have it moved from the test one to the actual deployment. And then just click on it, it'll actually pull up this edit page. So you can edit a lot of the basic ones in here. And I set it up to where it can pull in more. So maybe if I have a different Excel sheet with a lot more columns in it, then you could also go to edit it, and those will all pull up here as well. And you could save the changes here. And then, of course, your delete button's up here. And then there's also a little log here, so you can track how long you're taking on certain projects. And then there's a little history one as well, so which I may end up upgrading a little bit and having a tracker for when you kind of log in and log out. It automatically does that time for you and then prompts you to just enter a summary of what you did, just to make things easy. I like to switch around my projects quite often, and I have too many projects to remember, so this will make it easy for me to manage that.